Introducing Tracargo, the first automated web application that tracks and checks up on all your sea shipments. Tracargo constantly obtains the latest information from the web and notifies you of any change or delay that may have occurred, all based on your bill of lading number. Tracargo will alert you about free demurrage days and will help you keep track of when these are about to expire. This is how you can translate using Tracargo into dollars saved. Additionally, Tracargo will be able to send you notifications to multiple email recipients and/or email groups. Take advantage of this feature and have Tracargo send notifications directly to you and your customers. Tracargo will also provide you with delay reports. This means that the program will keep track of shipments that have experienced a delay in their original ETA and will provide you with a summary broken down by shipping line so that you can see which have performed better in terms of delays. Just open up your browser to the Tracargo login page. You will need to log in with your credentials. In order to add a new record, type the full bill of lading number in the text box located in the upper left-hand side of the screen. Click the Track button to complete adding the record. You will see that the new record will appear shortly after in the main table of the interface. This table contains 7 columns, which are what we have considered the most important general criteria about sea shipments: bill of lading number, shipping line, origin, destination, status, ETD, and ETA. You will also see a reference column for which you can add any reference or remark to that specific shipment. Click on any of the buttons that you can see at the top of the page. These are active, inactive, and pending. When a record is correctly added, it will be marked as active. Once a shipment has reached its final destination and several days have passed, it will be marked as inactive. A record will only be marked pending when you attempt to add it and some sort of error is returned. This could be a connection error, that no data was found, or any other application error. The records are color-coded for ease of recognition. Active records will display their information in blue font. Inactive records will display their information in black font. And pending records will display in red font. You can also dig deeper and find more specific information about each shipment. To do this, you will need to select the record, right-click, and select the BL Details option. A new screen will appear in which you can find all of the relevant information of the shipment. The type of information displayed varies depending on the shipping line. At the top, you will find a demurrage alert section. This section contains a table for which you can find all shipments that have arrived at destination and have not yet been returned, and therefore have potential demurrage risk. If you want to translate using Tracargo into dollars saved, make sure that you use Tracargo demurrage alert feature. With this feature, Tracargo will alert you with each shipment's remaining free demurrage days so that you can prevent unnecessary demurrage charges. A new screen will appear in which you can select any of the shipping lines from a drop-down menu. Select a shipping line, and in the text box, insert the number of free demurrage days that corresponds to the selected shipping line. Click the button Add Update. Do the same for all of the shipping lines of interest. A table at the bottom will provide the summary of the shipping lines and their respective free demurrage days. If you want to change the value of the demurrage days of any of the shipping lines in this summary, simply select the shipping line from the drop-down menu and in the text box insert the number of free demurrage days. Click the Add Update button, which will update the value. Once you have assigned the number of free demurrage days to a shipping line, the program will send email alerts for all of the corresponding records that have the notification checkbox checked. You can assign multiple email recipients and/or email groups to any individual record so that all of its email alerts and notifications are sent to the desired recipients. Select the desired record on the main screen. Ensure that the notifications checkbox is checked. Otherwise, no email alerts nor notifications will be sent. Right-click and select the recipients option. A new window will appear in which you will find two drop-down menus, Email and Group. To add an individual email address as a recipient for the specific record, simply select the email address from the Email drop-down menu. Click the Add button. The recipient table at the bottom of the window will display the added email address as well as all of the emails and email groups that have been added to the specific record. In order to add an email group to the specific record, simply select the desired group from the Group drop-down menu and repeat the process mentioned above. If you would like to add a brand new email address to the specific record, simply type the new email address in the Add Email text box. Click the Add button. You will see that the added email will appear in the recipient table. This will also add the new email address to the email database so that it can be used for any record and for any email group. To remove a recipient or group assigned to that specific record, simply select the email or group in the recipient table and select Delete. Tracargo also allows you to have multiple email recipients or even email groups for each of the record's notifications and alerts, for which you can add an individual email recipient. Create an email group, add or remove email addresses from existing groups, etc. To add an individual email recipient, simply type the new email address in the Add Individual Email Recipient text box. Click the Add button. This will add the new email address to the email database so that it can be used for any record and for any email group. To create a new email group, type the name you want to assign the new group in the Create a New Group text box. Click the Add button. In the Group Selected drop-down menu, you will find the group that you just created as well as all of the groups that have been created in the past. Select the desired group from the drop-down menu. In the Emails in Group table, you can find which emails correspond to the group that you just selected. To add an email to the group selected, simply click on the Email drop-down menu and select the email that you would like to add. Click the Add button. You will see that the added email will appear in the Emails in Group table. In order to delete an email address from the group selected, simply click on the email address in the Emails in Group table and select Delete. This will remove the email address from the selected group. Click on the Latency tab. At the top, you will see the Latency Alerts table, which show the shipments that have experienced a change in their original ETA. Another useful feature in Tracargo is the Delay Report. Tracargo can create a report which breaks down, by shipping line, shipments that have experienced a delay in ETA. The report compares each shipping line's total shipments versus its total number of delays. When you click on the specific shipping line's row, you will see another table in the bottom part of the window which will display the details of all the shipping line's shipments that have experienced a delay. You can export the full report to Excel. Simply click on the Export to Excel link, select the Save File option. Select the folder where you want to save the file and click Save. You can export the main table as well as the demurrage and latency reports to Excel. Simply click on the Export to Excel button that you will see in each of those tabs. These are some of the features that Tracargo offers so that you never have to manually track a shipment again, and additionally, to always be on top of the most current information so that you can be proactive about your business. Please contact us with any questions, comments, or concerns that you may have. The Tracargo support team is always happy to hear them. please visit our website at tracargo.com and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for your time.